15-year-old tennis whiz-kid Cori Gauff served up one of the biggest upsets in the history of Wimbledon on Monday, defeating Venus Williams in straight sets in the first round of the world-famous tournament. Despite being the youngest player to qualify for the main draw in the professional era, Gauff outdueled her idol 6-4, 6-4 and dominated the match despite the 24-year age difference and 269 ranking spots separating the two. At 39, Williams was the oldest woman player in the tournament and has won Wimbledon 5 times, including 2 before Gauff was even born.